Hi, this is for the vendor-specific SD-WAN implementation guides response to absolutely. The below is vendor-specific SD-WAN guide for Cisco, Fortinet, VMware, SD-WAN. For each vendor, you will get architecture overview, key components, deployment steps, basic configuration example, best practices. Cisco SD-WAN Viptela, Cisco IOS. Below is the architecture diagram which explains the connectivity of the SD-WAN. Architecture. Cisco SD-WAN has three logical planes: vManage, vSmarts, vBond, WAN Edge routers. Deployment overview: deploy controllers, configure certificates, zero-touch provisioning, templates, policies. Basic configuration example is high-level interface templates. Define physical interfaces with Gigabit Ethernet slash 0/0. VPN define, assign interface to the VPN. T-lock and BFD. T-lock extension interface gigabit Ethernet, color public, bandwidth 10K. Best practices: use application aware routing, enable BFD, segment and VRF SD-WAN VPNs, use local internet breakout. Fortinet secure SD-WAN diagram architecture explained. Architecture: Fortinet SD-WAN integrates SD-WAN with Fortinet's SGFW. Deployment overview: physical VMware at VM HQ branches. Architecture: FortiGate devices. Deploy FortiGate appliances. SD-WAN. Performance SLA. Latency, jitter, loss thresholds. Basic configuration example: define SD-WAN members, SLA rules. Application steering. Config system virtual WAN link. Config service edit one. Wipe all WAN. VMware SD-WAN Velo Cloud. Below is the architecture of the Velo Cloud. Architecture: VMware SD-WAN consists of gateway, edges, controllers, edge in orchestras, define profiles. Basic configuration example is high level: create template, define WAN interface. We define VPN ID, local breakout settings, default route, regions. Comparative summary: Cisco SD-WAN, Fortinet SD-WAN, VMware SD-WAN, integrated security, native strong, zero touch provisioning, best use case, large enterprises, security focused deployments, cloud first environments. This is the last slide of the today's